All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about new drills and new impact drivers coming from Milwaukee. Now they've introduced some anti-kickback technology, so when the drill stops and it tries to break your wrist, it's designed with some AI stuff to actually prevent that, which is really cool. Demo, is a demo, so we'll see how it works in the real world. But supposedly it's AI driven and will keep from that huge kickback that when you're drilling in an auto repair industry usually involves you bleeding. So hopefully when it does that, it'll stop and you won't hurt yourself. The demo looked really impressive, and if I have footage of it, I will put it somewhere in this video, but really impressive. They've also introduced impact drivers in M12 and M18 with more power. As if they didn't have enough problems with their bits living, they got more power. And they're also the newer design with the 3 lights, so that's really cool. Better illumination for us in our industry when we're doing, air filter boxes, or if you're using it for light duty impacting, that kind of stuff. Very cool. Those are actually the first demo tools I will be getting, so I'll be getting those first, and so look for those videos. If you want to see that video, get subscribed. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.